What's going on, guys? It's your boy Gio here, and today we're going to be talking about why exactly a Derma-roller and Minoxidil work so well together, and why most doctors recommend using them simultaneously. So stay tuned so you don't miss out. Also, before I get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It is really a huge help. Alright, so various studies in the hair loss field support the idea that a Derma-roller induces proliferation in the skin cells. As far as we know, skin cell proliferation is beneficial for wounds, acne scars, stretch marks, and even new hair growth. See, now why that is because the procedure induces 3 stages: inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. These are all stages involved in the natural wound healing process. But what a Derma-roller does in this case is help facilitate blood circulation in microscopic wounds that activate the skin's natural healing response, forcing blood to an area which restores your hair's natural growth cycle and promotes fuller, denser hair growth. Microneedling by itself may provoke the release of factors that promote hair growth, or perhaps even directly stimulate hair growth as a result of the small injuries caused. However, what about minoxidil? As probably most of you all know from our other videos about minoxidil, it is a vasodilator that increases the flow of oxygen-rich blood to the hair follicles by widening the blood vessels. Minoxidil has also been known to increase the size of hair follicles to help grow stronger and thicker hairs. In a 1-year observational study, 62% of the 984 men using 5% minoxidil reported a reduction in hair loss. As for the hair regrowth, the drug was rated as very efficient in 16% of participants, effective in 48%, and moderately effective in 21%. On the other hand, the Derma-roller also increases blood flow to the scalp by causing micro wounds to the outer layer of the skin and inducing more collagen production. Now, collagen, what is it? It is a protein that is abundantly available in the fibrous tissue like skin, ligaments, tendons. It is present in the hair shaft as well as around the hair follicle bulb. And like I said before, a Derma-roller enhances and promotes the growth of new hair by thickening the hair root during the anagen phase. As it creates micro wounds on the epidermis, the body sends more blood to the area to heal it. Hence why it is recommended to use minoxidil with a Derma-roller so that it is better absorbed into the scalp through the microscopic wounds that a Derma-roller creates. However, before using a Derma-roller, you all gotta know that it can stimulate not only hair growth, but it can also stimulate hair loss if used too frequently with the wrong length of needles. How often you can use a Derma-roller depends on the treatment purpose and the size of the needles respectively. Also, it depends on whether you use hair loss medications or not. Most doctors, however, will recommend a needle size between 0.2 and 1.5 millimeters when it concerns anything that has to do with hair regrowth. Using a Derma-roller before or after applying minoxidil with a minimum of a 20 to 30 minute gap between the use boosts the effectiveness and the absorption rate of minoxidil, making it a much more efficient hair loss treatment overall. A lot of studies have shown that the most effective way to use minoxidil with the Derma-roller is to first roll the Derma-roller on the scalp and then apply minoxidil to the area. Do not, I repeat, under any circumstances, do not pour minoxidil on the roller itself. I mean, you can, but there is no effective way of cleaning it after. And even if you manage to do so, you'd probably damage the needles and dull them in the process. You should only ever have to clean your Derma-roller with rubbing alcohol, and preferably in a spray bottle after every use. A spray bottle is important because any direct cleaning risks bending the titanium needles, and on the next use, guess what? Micro tears won't be so microscopic. You'll just tear through your skin. And trust me, I've done it and it's not fun. But yeah, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more. My name is Gio and I'll see you next time.